that we're going to wash a dress so we can go to remove the bubbles and the water.
That's that dress. Kanino dress yan?
It's Mirabelle.
And then you brush now. Again, what?
I'm just brushing
Wow.
Mirabelle dress. And then we're going to add again. Ah!
See, I'm sorry.
And then I wash the dress with Oma.
Dito, brush mo yung white. Ayusin mo yung dress. Ayusin mo yung manggas. You fix this dress. You fix it para makita mo yung mga dirt niya. O, ayan. Ang brush mo dito niya. Oh, dumi, oh. Ayan. Dito. Ayan. O, finish na. Yung baby dress naman.
Toto.
Ayusin mo muna. Straight mo muna yung... Fix it first. Fix it first. Ayan. Ganyan. O. Then brush it. No need to put soap na. It's so... Ano na. Ang tawag din, madulas. Okay. Do you think it's clean already?
Not yet.
Okay.
It's too much dirty so we can beat it.
Oh, wag na to, finish na to. Ganito, ikusot mo siya, Gwyn, kusot. Ganito, I'll teach you how to kusot. Kusot it. That's how to kusot the dress. Go. Kusot. And the Mirabelle dress also, kusot it. Okay, and then next is piga.
Biga.
Piga, fill it. Dry. You dry the ano.
Naman yung water mo na.
No need water, you dry it first.
Wait.
Spin it, spin. Wala palang spinner yan. Ano mo na lang piga mo. I'll teach you how. Ganito pagpiga. Ganyan na.
Ako
Twirling
din.
mo, twirling. Yan, o put here. Tapos, yan ulit. Piga mo din yan. O, tapon mo na yung water. You throw the water and then change it to clean water naman. Because that is finished. So, you rinse it twice. So, this is the first rinse. So,
Dirty.
finish na yung soap, ha? Turn off the water na and then put
I
the
can't
dress.
touch it.
Okay. No, it's enough. Matatapon yan. Put the dress na. And then kusot it again. Put another one. Put another one.
It's wrong.
Put here para mababad. Kusot mo yan. Kusot. Kusot na. Next rinse naman. Second rinse naman.
Amoyhan mo nga.
Later pa yan natin naamoy yun. Lalagyan mo ng laundry detergent. Fabric conditioner yan. Put it again here. And then change the water again for the second rinse. That's enough. You put
Not
the
yet,
clothes.
not yet.
No need to make it full. Matatapon. So you get the dress na. Put it the dress na. Yan. Make it kusot again. Let's kusot again until the water is clean na. Pag clean pa rin yung water.
Kumatok muna.
Wag na mag-soap. Finish na yung soap. Rinse ka na eh. No need to soap na. No need na yan to soap. Kasi sasampay mo na yan eh. Oh, I will get the fabric conditioner, ha? Some onting water lang, ha? Small amount of water lang. And then you put the laundry. That's a fabric conditioner. Turn off the ano na.
Not yet, Oma.
No, that's enough. It's too much. Ayan, lagay mo na lahat. Wash mo yan. Ganun mo. Diba? Smell good? Just smell. Try to smell the water. Is it good?
Yeah.
Go. O, put the dress. Spin it. The spin. Like a washing machine. Diba?
Ay. Ato.
Huwag na mababasa. Yun eh. Finish, and then, nasampay na. You piga first. Piga first para walang water. You piga the dress. Yan, para walang water. Oh, yan, you just remove the water. Oh, and then, sampay na. Here, dito. Lagay mo, put the dress. Yan, good job. Put na another one. Para clean na yung dress ni Mirabel. Galing ni Ate Gwina. Nice, good job. I'll help you. You fix the dress first. You fix the dress. Ganito. Remove the water, di ba?
Ako ni.
Sige. Ako ni. Ako ni. Oh, that's enough. Oh.
Ako na.
I'll teach you how to fix ganyan, oh. Ayan. Ayan. Oh. Ay, sira. Broken. Here. Dito na lang yun. Ayan. Wow. Okay, let it dry.
Hi guys, I'm finished to work my Barbie clothes.
Wow. Good job, Ate
It's
Gwyn.
going to dry pa.
Let it.
Not good right.
So tomorrow we're gonna check if it's dry already, ha?
Yes, Ma.
Good job, baby Gwyn.